is an easy and fun experiment that you can do at home. As you can see, we have drums of different materials and I have a ladle here. What do you think will happen when I use this ladle to hit the drums? That's right, friends, it will create a sound. And because they are all made out of different materials, let's see if they create different sound pitches. Firstly, let's start with our metal pot.
Periuk logam ini membuat bunyi yang nyaring.
Secondly, let's try our plastic lid.
Botol plastik ini membuat bunyi yang agak lembut.
Thirdly, let's try our glass cup.
Botol gelas ini membuat bunyi yang amat nyaring.
And lastly, we have this very colourful xylophone.
Gambang ini diperbuat dari kayu dan logam. Bunyinya lembut bila kita menggunakan bahagian kayu. Dan nyaring apabila kita menggunakan bahagian logam.
Great job, Mimi, and thank you, friends, for helping. As you can see, because the drums are all made out of different materials, they produce different sound pitches. For example, the metal and glass drums will create high pitches. And the wooden and plastic drums will create low sound pitches, like this.
Ya, Kak Fifi. Dengan alat muzik begini, kamu juga boleh berlatih nada suara kamu.
Oh, Rudy, how about we sing our traditional song with different pitches?
Great, let's do it together. When I put my hands high, that means we have to sing in a high pitch. When I put my hands low, we sing in a low pitch.
Wow, betul! Itu gerakan solfege, seperti mana kita menyanyi do, re, mi.
Hey friends and parents, if you enjoyed this video, we have a ton of fun and educational videos and worksheets waiting for you at KakFifiandMimi.com. Dive into STEM and bilingual learning with us. Plus, all our content aligns with the Singapore syllabus, so you can learn together with your children. Head over to KakFifiandMimi.com today to try our free chapters. Bye-bye! Jumpa lagi!